Hello guys, so this trip we decided to go up a Signal Peak mountain and it is snowing. First snow, just had a storm last night, and we got our crew and a few other friends to come and experience this first snow with us. So stay tuned and enjoy the drive up. This is the official starting of a Signal Peak trail.
On this trail, the elevation changes really fast. You're constantly going up a mountain, and every couple hundred feet you're climbing higher and higher up the mountain. The scenery is awesome, and that's what makes it worth it.
Well, we're not even halfway through the Signal Peak mountain, and as you can see, the snow is getting thicker. We got some snow on the trees, but so far we're making up the road not bad. We're all about 10 psi on the air pressure, and so far so good. Even our newest Jeep of the crew is doing just fine on some 33s with no lockers, and our driver is doing just great. So Tanya,
Yes?
how do you like your Jeep so far?
I like it.
How's this trail? Is it scaring you?
Not yet.
Not yet. Good. So your Jeep is getting a bit dirty, but
For what?
it's pretty good. We got some big tires on it, 33-inch tires, and they're 10-inch wide rims, so she got a big fat footprint. So it's an awesome Jeep. What's up, Mark? How do you like this trail so far?
Better than last time.
Better than last time? Good. And we got a long crew behind us.
Oh well.
What's up, Slava? Is this trail being sketchy right now?
It's a little iffy.
It is super slick. And we got a big Rubicon. Serge driving it. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. And Sam already managed to break his Jeep. Sam,
Yes?
is that too much horsepower? That's what happened?
Yes. What happens when you jump on obstacles?
There you go.
Halfway up the mountain, we got up to the last obstacle on this trail, and it's just a washed out trail with some rocks in the middle of it and some roots scattered all over the place. It makes it for a bit of a challenging spot with smaller tires.
finally the fire season is officially over. It is snowing. We can finally burn firewood that we're collecting locally, and just gonna burn it up on top. Awesome. Well, we're almost at the top. The top is pretty much visible. We can see there's some people up on top. We're just waiting on the traffic behind us. A couple Jeeps were coming down, we were coming up, and they're trying to get around each other in a tight spot. But so far, the trail is awesome. This time of year, it is not easy, but we got some stock Tacomas behind us. They're getting through our path just fine. So it's an awesome drive. It's an awesome day. Day of right after the storm. It's nice to be out in the wilderness, enjoying the nice weather and snow.
Some of our friends came out there on quads and they almost made it to the top, except one quad snapped a chain and needed a tow all the way to the top.
Well, we made it to the top of the signal peak. As the sun's setting down, we're just deciding where to sit down and relax and have some tea. But it's an awesome view, not too windy, but it is cold. And as the sun's gonna go down, it's gonna get even more colder. So we'll see what we can do. But for now, we're just gonna sit here, enjoy the view. It's an awesome place. You gotta come check it out.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there on the next one.